Hello good people, Ibar here with Hardware Canucks. Computex 2018 has definitely been an interesting show. I mean, apart from all the 20 different case videos I've been posting, it's been pretty interesting. I don't know what to say about it, but nonetheless, we decided to film some cool builds throughout the show floor. You know, we passed by a few booths, we saw some pretty interesting mods, and we decided to film them, so enjoy. But first, huge shout out to our sponsors, Cooler Master, Fantex, and Thermaltake. So I hope you enjoyed this montage. Definitely let us know in the comments down below if you enjoyed it, and of course if you're interested in checking out upcoming videos like this for our next shows. I'm Ibar with Hardware Canucks. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for some more videos from this show, and we'll see you in the next one.